Hey Stuart, so I thought the easiest way to show you all the different options that we spoke about the other day was just to basically make you a quick video here. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Basically, I found the G Suite pricing for you, the Dropbox pricing, and the Microsoft pricing as well. So let's just look at these real quick. G Suite, again, everyone has to have a Gmail email. You would want to run your email straight through G Suite. It's about $7 Australian, $5 American per user per month, and then you get 30 gigabytes of storage. So you said that generally you probably didn't want to switch all your email over G Suite. You already paid for it somewhere else. So let's drop that option and then look at Dropbox, which is also rather expensive for what it is. Dropbox, you can put documents anywhere, but the thing with Dropbox is you can't work on a document online collaboratively. So just keep that in mind. You can't open up a document, work on it online collaboratively. So basically you get them on your desktop, you download them, you work on them, you upload them back online, and your team can see that folder. Now, this costs money again, so let's just move right along because Microsoft's going to make the most sense. So what you bought, if I go to, I'm in your account right now. So if I go to admin, and we just wait here for a moment. Okay, so admin, I go to subscriptions. There we go. So what you're paying right now and you already paid for is $144 for the year. So with this, you get all the Office options, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, etc. And you get OneDrive. So this is, you already purchased this, so it's the best route to go. If you want to eventually add more people to this, basically you just go to add subscriptions, you go to add users, and then you pick your plan. So $12 per user per month or $15 per user per month, and then you pick your plan. But right now, the most cost-effective strategy is just to use your account and just to use your OneDrive. So we'll go to your OneDrive. Okay, and this is what I put in your OneDrive. So I created a management folder and a team folder. So you were saying that you want the two to be split. You want, maybe just yourself and whoever's on your management team to be able to see this folder and the contents in it, and then your team just to be able to see team folders, etc. So these will act as basically master folders, or of course you can rename them, make your own, do whatever you'd like, but this is just for an example. So let's look at the management folder. So I'll go to the management folder. There's nothing here right now. I'll upload. So to upload any documents, there we go. Went straight to documents I have on my desktop. I made a test document for this, so it has nothing on it. It just says test. So there it is, uploaded, sitting there. Now, what we can do if we want to work on this file is we can actually open it in Word. This is going to be on my desktop, on my computer, offline. Or I can open it up in Word online. So this is what I'm saying when you can work collaboratively. Now, this is me sitting here looking at this online. You can be sitting at your computer, logged into the same drive, looking at this same document online, okay? And it'll say the names of who's on the document, working on it right here, and it'll show them writing in different colors and etc. so you can see who's working on it. It works great when you want to collaborate with someone and show them exactly what you mean when there's any confusion and things like that. So that's really awesome and a great feature. You can use that for, so this is Word Online, you can use it for Excel files as well. So that's that, and now let's look at how to share this. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to use the method of actually, you know what, we will hold on a moment here. So we're going to go to we can either do share, and this can go to anyone with the email address. They'll have to sign on, but this is for people that have a Microsoft or a Live account, okay? So they have to have a Microsoft or a Live account. If your emails are going through Microsoft, you can do this option. It's easy enough. or you're just going to do a copy link. Okay, so you go to hit copy link, you're going to copy paste, copy. You're going to go to your email, which obviously is in Microsoft, but this is just my email for the sake of doing this. So you go to your email, you go, hi, welcome to blah, blah, blah. Here's the link. So this should hyperlink. There we go. All right, so now when I click that, I can go to this link. This is what your employee is going to see. So they get that link in their email, they click the link. There we go. Okay, so see how I can only see files management. So even if I go back to files, nothing. Okay, there's nothing there. I can't see them. I can't see what's here. So basically I have to use that link. So I have to use that link. I have to go back. So that keeps it private. And basically what it's going to do for you is you'll be able to see, so your team or your management team will be able to just, here we are in the management folder. You'll be able to see all the folders, all the documents, everything you need after you've uploaded them. And that's how they're going to access everything. Now for you, you will still have complete control. And we'll go back to yours here. And this is what you'll see. So you'll see the kind of the master version, the outside version. So you can go into team, you go into management. Maybe you have some other categories here as well. But whoever you see share the link with will only see what you share with them. So I just want to make sure this is clear. So you'll be able to see this screen that I'm looking at now. You'll send the link out via email like I did here. They'll click the link and they will only see what you shared with them. Now, if you don't want to share it anymore, so see how these say private and this says shared? Well, maybe I don't want to share it anymore with a particular employee, or I want to manage access, or I want to change the link. So I'm just going to exit. I'm going to remove this link. So you need to create a new one if you want to share it again. So just in case, you know, you need to let go of someone or something like that, you can remove this. So basically what will happen is, you know, there'll be other people down here. So Stuart's here. Obviously you have access to this. Let's say you share it with me. I would be here in a little bubble, Steve Hallman. I would have access and you can manage my access. So if you don't want, my name will be there with a link. If you don't want me to have access anymore, you just remove the link. There you go. And it's back to private, okay? So that's how sharing works. This is how your team will see that. Hopefully that's very clear. And I think the only other thing was that you were talking about working on things offline and online, and sometimes when you're commuting and things like that, you're not always going to be able to work on it all the time. So basically what all you're going to do is you're going to go into your files, you're going to test document, and you're going to quickly download what you need to work on that day. Just goes into my downloads. So now you can work on it offline. There you go. You can work on it offline. You're good to go. And then once you're done, end of the day, you can re-upload it, rename it as most recent, and get rid of that one there. So that's the process. I think that's going to work the best for you. Remember, just share with your team is copy link. Grab that link, throw it in an email, get it to your team. They can access that folder that you want, and you can keep them separate from your management folder. Put them in your team folder instead. So that's how that works. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this really helped explain everything and look at the options and all that and get you started. Definitely go in and play around with it. I'm here for ongoing support. Let me know how it goes and we can move on from there. All right, thanks.